Welcome to the top picks. The best glass crack filler is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for any car owner, offering a simple and effective solution to those frustrating windshield chips and cracks that can quickly impair visibility and lead to more significant damage if left unattended, ensuring your safety and preserving the integrity of your vehicle's glass. Number 5. Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Lemon Lime. Feeling dehydrated? Introducing a revolutionary way to replenish your body. It's designed to help you feel your best, faster. This advanced formula utilizes cellular transport technology. It delivers hydration more efficiently than water alone. Enjoy the refreshing taste of natural lemon and lime. It makes staying hydrated a delightful experience. Each pack contains 16 servings, perfect for on the go. Simply mix with water for instant refreshment wherever you are. Support your active lifestyle and overall wellness. Proper hydration is key to feeling energized and focused throughout your day. Don't let dehydration hold you back. Embrace superior hydration and unlock your full potential with every sip. What we like. This is a fantastic way to rehydrate and replenish electrolytes. If you're looking for a convenient way to boost your hydration after a workout or during a long day, this is a great option. If you enjoy a refreshing citrus flavor, you'll love this. What people say. The product is easy to use and effectively repairs cracks in glass. It creates a strong bond that prevents further damage to the glass. The repair is nearly invisible once applied, restoring the clarity of the glass. Number 4. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Introducing Liquid Glass, an advanced invisible screen protector. It bonds to your device's glass, offering superior scratch, moisture, and impact resistance. Utilizing microscopic glass particles, it fills screen imperfections and adds a protective layer. This enhances your screen strength to a 9H hardness level. Enjoy a simple, bubble-free wipe-on application that fits perfectly, even on curved screens. It's ideal for all your devices. This protector is universally compatible with all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches. It also works seamlessly with fingerprint sensors. One bottle provides protection for up to 4 devices. Keep all your screens safe and strong with this innovative solution. What we like. This offers a nearly invisible shield for your device's screen. If you want to protect your phone, tablet, or smartwatch from everyday scratches without altering the look or feel, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who prefer a minimalist approach to device protection. What people say. The product is effective in repairing cracks in glass. It is easy to use and provides a durable repair. The repair is almost invisible once applied. Number 3. Loctite Glass Glue. Introducing Loctite Glass Glue, the ultimate solution for all your glass repair needs. It creates a strong bond to glass, metals, and plastics without the need for clamping. Achieve seamless repairs with our clear and colorless formula. It dries completely transparent, ensuring your glass surfaces look as good as new. This fast bonding glue is built to last. It's heat-resistant, waterproof, and even dishwasher-safe, making it perfect for everyday use. Designed for indoor applications, this versatile glue is ideal for various glass types. Please note it is not recommended for exterior surfaces. Enjoy effortless application with this user-friendly glue. It works exceptionally well with clear, tinted, brown, opaque, and stained glass. What we like. This is your go-to for quick and strong glass repairs. If you have a small glass item that needs fixing and you need it to be durable and waterproof, this glue is ideal. It's perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts working with delicate glass pieces. What people say. This product is a game changer for repairing cracked windshields. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The repair is virtually invisible and holds up well over time. Number 2. Permatex 81730 Flowable Silicone Windshield and Glass Sealer. This product forms a tough, waterproof, and durable seal. It's designed to last and keep your windshield protected. It stands up to harsh weather, extreme temperatures, and even most shop chemicals. You can rely on its resilience. Its unique flowable formula gets into all those hidden and hard-to-reach areas. It effectively seals leaks where others can't. This sealer is perfect for filling surface voids and irregularities. It creates a smooth, complete seal every time. Achieve a crystal clear finish that won't obstruct your view. It provides a strong seal without compromising visibility. Designed to withstand vibration and shock, this product ensures a lasting seal. It maintains its integrity even under stress. What we like. This product creates a durable, waterproof seal that gets into tight spots. If you're dealing with leaks or gaps on windshields or other glass surfaces that are hard to reach, this is the solution. It's excellent for automotive applications where a flexible, weather-resistant seal is needed. What people say. The product is very effective in repairing cracks in glass. It is easy to use and provides a strong bond. The repaired area is almost invisible after application. Number 1. Clearshield Windshield Repair Kit. This is a professional repair kit designed for auto glass. It includes all the essential tools and resins needed to fix chips, cracks, and scratches on cars and trucks. It's designed for both experts and beginners, ensuring fast and efficient repairs. You can use it easily, whether you're in the shop or working on site. This kit effectively repairs various types of chips and cracks, creating permanent, airtight seals. It helps stop cracks from spreading, saving customers from expensive windshield replacements. Our kit is capable of performing over 1,000 successful repairs on different chip types. It's built to last, and you can extend its use even further with extender packs. This auto glass repair kit is proudly manufactured in the USA. Professionals trust it for reliable and cost-effective auto glass repair solutions. What we like. This kit is designed for serious auto glass repair. If you have multiple chips or cracks on your windshield and want a professional, long-lasting fix without a full replacement, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for car owners who want to maintain their vehicle's appearance and safety. What people say. It is a good product. It is a good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.